Online, can you hear me? Call someone outside. పెడదాంలే ఉంది ఛార్జింగ్ ఉంది. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. Good. How are you all? Fine. Nice. I'm good. How did you guys spend your weekend? Huh? JavaScript? JavaScript practice. So good, right? Good. Match. Arre. Very good. What to do then? Now, listen. Whatever happened in your JavaScript one, wo ho gaya. Now, we guys had some basic knowledge on the JavaScript and whatever the concept needed for the React in JavaScript, like what JavaScript needed, whatever the basic features needed, those things were already we discussed. I will repeat them once. After having repetition, we will move through what is React. Again, how to start your React, how to install basic setup, how to do your first React app. We will discuss one by one by one. Is this clear, my everyone? We will do it one by one by one. And while doing your JavaScript practice, if you are doing JavaScript practice, that was really good. While doing your JavaScript practice, if you are getting any doubts, sir, what is this concept or that concept, any doubt, even minute doubt you feel, also ask me. Because this course will be 100% practical. Once we started our main React, mostly in 2 to 3 days, like demos will be over, we will have it like complete focus on the React. Initial setup also will be done. At that time, every day I will give you one task. You guys also will do 30 days. We will do 30 tasks so that you guys will increase your capability into the JavaScript and logic. Main purpose is to increase your problem solving skills. Programming is not about coding. That's what most people think. Let me start this question. Every day we will do first 5 minutes brainstorming. Have you guys ever done any brainstorming sessions? Usually, brainstorming sessions will come nights after 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. You guys will think na something like that. We will think now some simple brainstorm sessions. Let's start today's question. Online, let me share the screen. Even online, I wanted active participation. Good. Let's start here. In today's brainstorm question is, imagine you are so good at React. Imagine you already learned React, JavaScript. You are perfectly good in React. Using the React, React, you have to create a website, what site you will try and why? Did you all understand the question, ma? The question is, imagine you already know the React. Now you have to create it one simple site. You can create any site because you already know React. That's what the question says. Now, what kind of website you want to create? You have seen so many kinds of websites. What kind of sites you want to create and why only that kind of site you want to create? Any question in this? Understand the question? Online, did you understand question? Yes. Give your answers, sir. There is no right or wrong answers in the brainstorm. Brainstorm sessions will help us to understand how to think nicely. It's all about your thinking. It's not like who is right, who is wrong. There is nothing, no one is correct always, no one is wrong always. Okay, let me see. Online, so many people are saying it like e-commerce, Amazon, but I wanted why also. Come on, you guys tell me, Ray. Let's start with the last guy. Tell me, yeah. What's your name? Rajesh, Rajiv, Rajendra. Rajendra, can you tell me like what kind of site you wanna build? Food delivery. Why? Nowadays, mostly using it food delivery one. Food delivery because it's popular. Good. Nice. Someone in the online are saying it like e-commerce. You can sit ma. E-commerce because most people are using it. Most people using it. Good. I love the answer by Manjusha. Let me write it here. She also said it like something she or he. I think she said it e-commerce because it we need constant updation and see the changes happening without any refresh. Good. Someone wants to create a money tracker for saving purpose. Okay. Come on, offline also. Participate. Vidya wants to create banking app. Why? Why is important to me? Sachinarayana said app development scope is more. Okay. Digital India. Vidya. Okay. Banking app, Digital India. I think these guys know app means web app only, right? You are not going to create mobile app. Do you know that? React is not for mobile app. React is for the web app or website. Web app means like, you know, like in some websites you go there, log in, you will have your dashboards, something kind of one. That is web apps. Website bole to kali website. You can create both using the React, but you can't create it like mobile apps. That's React Native. Anyway, what about your opinions offline? Mostly silent. Why? Oh, I have to ask the people. Let's ask. Last one. Tell me, ma. What do you wanna do? You do not want nothing. Very good. Inspiration you are. Like, what do you wanna create, sir? Security. Security means security for women, kind of safety apps, women safety apps. Yeah, those things were good actually. Good. Someone said grocery apps. Someone said social media network. That was okay. Nice, not bad. Social media network. Huh? Huh? Bush? Bookstore. Okay. Why? I know what the bookstore will do. Why you wanna create bookstore? Oh, you love to study books. Okay. Studying books. Okay, not bad. Books. Someone is like, I want to build online medicines delivery website, which is like the Blinkit in 10 minutes delivery. Not a bad idea. Medicine delivery apps for delivery villages. That was same thing. Two people are getting same idea. Library management. Library management from childhood. I'm seeing that. Library management, library management. No library uses it. Everyone college project is library management. Have you ever seen any library using the library management? No. Most of the librarians don't even know how to use computer. They don't even care mostly. It's not practical, let me tell you. Library management is the most impractical idea. Why? Because people will not go to libraries, as of I have seen. They will buy the books, they will just read it on their own way, or they will read it in mobiles. Some people, really good people, will go to libraries. That was really good idea. But librarians don't know how to manage these systems. Except in big libraries, I was a constant visitor to libraries, but I have not seen most of the libraries are like, you know, they just put the books and they are like, if you wanted book, still they will maintain book only. Do you know that? If anyone go to the libraries, they will know they will have a book only to register which one you used. They don't use any platforms. I'm sure. Hospital management also similar. People will create hospital management, student management, school management. Very rarely people use it. School management works mostly. Or OTTs. Everyone uses OTTs. Huh? Ticket booking app. Ticket booking. Like kind of book my show, right? Good. Why career guidance? Good. Now, now let me tell you the thought experiment why I did this. Everyone said the reasons because of the popularity or because of the complexity or because of the kind of, it needs to be there so that the people it will help something kind of one. General reasons they are. But no one said, like, I want to build Amazon because I want to see how the Amazon works using the React. No one said it like, oh, I want to build the OTT because how this OTT maintaining this much data, sir. I wanted to see that. I wanted to build one security app so that how they exactly when they click it, this particular sending is happening. Why? Because mostly people are not curious about technologies. They are like, okay, we want a job, we will learn a technology, and then we will build it. But do you know people who build these technologies? The people who are curious about these technologies. When you are building an app, you should not be building it like just because you want it or the society wants it. You are building it, you are a software developer. When you build a software, you should be curious. But next, tomorrow you see one website, for example, you see something Netflix, and you should be wondered, Arey, how this Netflix happened, Ray? Like when you click on it, one movie is coming. No one can able to download it, no one can able to record it. How they are managing it? In Amazon, like crores of people are there. How that they are managing the payments to all the people at a time? Or you take it to Discord, so many people, Reddit, so many people are chatting at a time. How did they manage this all? How these things works? Are you guys ever felt like that? Now that brings your curiosity, man. Are you understanding my point, ma? See, why do the stars glow? Why are the stars are like that? Where are we? How do these things worlds works? Why the rain comes? This is what curious some people, and they become scientists. They really learned how these things works. When Apple fell, the Newton got really kind of, curious. He was like, okay, why the Apple fell? And he invented something kind of, he just named it some kind of gravities and all. And that curiosity is the basic term in any technology. When people are curious about the rockets, those people will try to learn about it and do it. When people are curious about something like, what's happening in the climate, they will become climate enthusiast. When some people are curious about nature, do you know that? One of my friend is so curious about birds. He loves to see different birds. And he even explains it like how different birds have different colors and why they came like that, even in detail. Some people are curious about animals, dogs. Not only love, they are so curious, they are particular. Are you all getting my point? But in majority of the pressures, especially this generation, majority of the people, there is no curiosity. Believe me, because your mobile phones kills our curiosity. We are like, when you see mobile phones, you will see 1 hour reels. But your mind is not curious. How did these reels are still coming even after I'm scrolling it? How did this mobile data works? Why can't I just take this mobile data how much I want? How did this network company stops this? Are you getting my point? Believe me, if I show calculator to my grandfather will be like, what is this? How it is possible kind of thing. You show so many technologies, mobile phones and all to your moms or grandfathers or something kind of one. They will be like, how these things works only. I'm sure in future, whatever the new technologies comes, we will be shocked by that. Isn't it? And when you shocked, will you be just shocked or will you want to know what is happening in there? Want to know. And when you know that, will you be silent or will you build the next one? Yes, that is the spirit I want. I don't want, see, I can just teach you React and you will learn a React. Same like you learn JavaScript, same like you are learning Python. In this particular Naresh I have been staying here from the 2 years. Do you think how many people are every year they are going from the Samir Pit? Yeah, so much number. It's 10,000, 20,000 people. Do you think all people can build their own websites and their own apps? But most are full stack people only in Amirpet. Do you know that? And they can't. You know why? Because they are like same like college. They will be like, sir, what are the course details? Let's note it down. What they will ask in interview, note it down. Then we will go to interview. We will get a job. Yes, note it down. Nice. We will do the job morning to 5. हो गया life. तो उसमें क्यूरियोसिटी किधर है? क्योंकि सॉफ्टवेयर हर each टाइम चेंज होता. You are learning React 19 now. 19 is the version now. And imagine you learned whole thing, you started building it, suddenly React 20 came. And then will you come to Amirpet again learn React 20? No. Your mind should be like, React 20 came. तो change क्या हुआ? 19 I know 19. तो 20 में क्या क्या changes है? So वो अच्छा क्यों है? But that curiosity brings you something, build new apps. Develop that curiosity in everything. Everything. Even a simple thing like when someone show you one Instagram reel, how do these things works, how these comments works, how this add to cart works, how this grocery apps works, how this Google Maps works. Because in future, your kids will not ask you why the apple fell, because they will learn it in third class only, gravity. But they will ask you, your kids will ask you, Papa, ये grocery app कैसा work कर रहा है? And you should not be like, no, click the button, it will come. It won't work, isn't it? Are you getting my point, ma? Yeah. when you have at least basic curiosity, you will raise your children also in a more curious way. That's the only difference between normal fresher and the senior ones. Seniors always reads. I have to read it. It's mandatory. If I don't read it, new technologies, what is coming, I will be outdated. You will get so many problems when you build your applications. You will get so many errors. Why you are getting errors? Because things will change. Technologies are not same. PHP change it to jQuery, jQuery change it to the React. Now React people are using it. Tomorrow new things will come, or Java or Python or .NET. How many of you people are here Python people? Python full stack. Anyone Python full stack people are there here? No? No one Python? Oh, that's so good. Ray. Java? Good. .NET? Majority or .NET. I was so good. This many .NET people are there, na? You all completed C Sharp? Do you know where the C Sharp more majorly used? Backend. In backend, which kind of apps they will use more mostly? Web apps. They will use it mostly in banking applications or games. Do you know that? Yeah. Most of the basic games are actually built with the C Sharp. But what you will learn here, you will learn something basic if loop, for loop, even number kaisa karna hai, odd number kaisa find karna hai. It is easy. You will learn it in one day. But in real time, do you think you will write even or odd program? No. In real time, you need to do something bigger things. So always keep your curiosity into better level. Okay. Now that's your today's experiment. Let's go here. What we have discussed in the previous class. Every day we will do this small session. Now, okay, go here, file, open folder. My name React new. What did we discuss till now? Where is this? Yeah. To the people who are new to this course is about React 19, and React is the most popular front-end JavaScript library, which is used to build single page applications, Do you all remember what are single page applications? How many HTML files will be there in single page application? One. How many will be there? One. Now, in one HTML file, multiple components will come one after the another, so that based on the routing. Now, before you learn HTML, before you learn this React, you should learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, CSS, most people knows already. JavaScript is the basic one. And to learn what is needed for the JavaScript, we had it like in the last class, JavaScript necessary concepts. We discussed some basic concepts, and those topics I will repeat it. What are they? And next, today we will discuss how to install your React, how to start your first React app, what is what in the React. We will discuss in an outer view. We don't discuss in deep, but outer view, so that you can also create your first app. Then we will discuss folder structure. What is each folder mean? Next onwards, we will go to the topics like components, props, context API, state, hooks, and all. And the whole course will contain 30 to 40 days. Mostly 30 days it will be done, including the demos, or in between holidays, it might take it to 40. Okay. And 10 plus mini projects will be there, and one major project will be there. I might do e-commerce or something open source or something kind of one. We will also discuss Git and GitHub here. We will discuss Netlify. We will discuss Firebase. We will discuss the VS Code. And what is React? we discussed. What is React, ma? React is a JavaScript library which is used to create the single page applications. Perfect. Who created the React? Meta. Who created the React? Meta. What's the difference between React and React Native? React is used for web application. React Native is used for mobile applications. Very good. Now, React and Angular. React is a library. Angular is a framework. Frameworks gives you structure. Okay. Libraries will give you some basic methods only, but frameworks will give you structure. Like for example, .NET is a framework, ASP.NET. C# is a language. Now, when you learn C#, they will tell you what are the basic things for a language. But when you come to .NET, already one files will be there, full structure will be there. Then they will tell you, you have to write logic in this file only, model only you have to write it the database ones, view only you have to write it front end ones, or controller you have to write it in something kind of, logic ones. Like that, they will separate it. When it comes to Java, you will learn basic. But when you go to Spring or Spring Boot, they will teach you how to make it a nice folders. Okay. Same way Angular gives you big folder structure. And Angular is developed by Google. Angular is developed by Google. Next. Did you all downloaded and install VS Code, ma? Yeah. Today I will show you what are the necessary things for Node.js to install and how to start it and all. Now, before we go for that, JavaScript revision. What are the major topics we discussed are var, let, const. What is the difference between var, let, const? Mostly you will use let and const because they are modern. Next, what is the difference between map, filter, for each? For each cannot return the values. Map will return the values. Filter will return only values which are true. Perfect. Next, logical and logical or ternary operator. Logical and means if two conditions are there, both should be true. Logical or means any one should be true. Ternary operator is if one condition is true, it will go to one element. If false, it will go to another element. Same like if else only in a short com. Next, we discussed normal functions and arrow functions. Normal functions and arrow functions are similar. The difference is the syntax. Normal functions, you will write function keyword. Arrow functions, you don't need to write it. Like a variable, you will write it. You will put it arrow. If it is a single line, you don't need to write return keyword also. You don't need to put braces also in arrow functions. Next, last class, we discussed promises, fetch, async await. Fetch is used for the APIs. Fetch is used for the APIs. Someone backend people will give you one link. In that link, some data will be there. That link is called API endpoint. In that endpoint, data is there. The data will be in JSON format. Data will be in. If data is in JSON format, what is that API is called? REST API. What is it called? REST API. And in this REST API, I want to get the data. To get the data, if you use fetch, but if you use fetch, fetch will give you promise. What it will give you? How do you solve a promise? Then or catch. You will write it then or catch, or you can use async await. You can use then or catch or async await. You can use it both. Instead of writing it here, then or catch, same program, you can write it something like async await. Okay. Next, we also discussed something called template literals. You will put it backtick and you will put dollar brace wherever dynamic values comes. Last but not least, you use modules, import and exports. Export is used to export a value in one file. Import is used to import a value in another file. This basic JavaScript concepts. After the demos were over, when we created our Google Drive or Classroom link, I will provide you all these files, whatever we discussed. Okay. Until that, I recommend you to note it down. Is this clear, ma? Till now, anyone have any questions? No. So let's start our new ones. Note it down, ma. Today we will discuss how to install and start the React. Installation and first React app. First React app. To install any library, React is also one library. Any library of JavaScript, we use package managers. These package managers are used to install, uninstall, or update the packages. Packages are libraries, both are same. Now, sir, I want to install React, or I want to install Bootstrap. I want to install something TypeScript. I want to install any other packages. Whatever you want to install library, in olden days, how they will go? If you wanted to install React, go to React website and download. If you want to install TypeScript, go to TypeScript website and download. If you want to install some another thing, go to that website and download. That is how in olden times people used to do. Later, they invented something called package managers. Package manager is one software that can be used to install any library in the world and uninstall any library in the world. In your system, it will automatically install or uninstall the things, even update the things also. One of the famous package manager is Node Package Manager. NPM is the popular package manager. NPM means Node Package Manager. So if you have NPM, sir, using NPM, you can install anything, sir. Using NPM, you can install anything. So you need NPM. But how do you download this NPM? To have NPM, you need to download and install Node.js. Node.js is also JavaScript only, which is JavaScript library, which is used for the backend actually. Server side JavaScript they will do. This Node.js have one package manager called NPM. So first, if you download Node.js, sir, install Node.js, you will get NPM. Once you have this NPM, you can install anything using NPM. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear online till now? Now. So we need to download now Node.js. Note it down first, later we will do slowly. So go to internet, type it here, download Node.js. Just type it here, download Node.js. I got one website, sir. Can you see I got one website? I will give the instruction. So step 1, go to website. You can go to this website directly, or you can write it in Google, download Node.js. It will come this website, nodejs.org. Okay. Go to this website, nodejs.org. Next, step 2, download according to your operating system, your OS. For me, I'm downloading Windows. For me, I will download the Windows one. And if you are a Mac guy, use the Mac. If you are Linux guy, Linux one. I don't think anyone use Linux. Anyone here have Linux? No, that's a different game. Now, anyway, go here. I will go to the Node.js down. Can you see Windows installer is there? Always download MSI files if you are installing it. Just a tip. If you are a Mac guy, you can change it here, Mac. It will come. Windows 64 by default. Anyone know what is MSI? .msi means anyone knows? Microsoft installer. Microsoft installer. It will automatically install in your Windows. Now anyway, download. I just click there, download. It's downloaded. See, Node.js one file is downloaded. After this, double click. See the procedure online installation. Double click. Next. For me, it is coming 3 options because for React.js, we see not for React.js. If you are going Angular, if you are going Vue, if you are learning anything, all are libraries only na JavaScript. For all of them, you needed to download na. Instead of separately downloading it, any library in the world, you need to download, you need NPM. So for NPM, you are downloading the Node.js. Now, here, I'm getting it here. 3 options, change, repair, remove. This is coming because already Node.js is there in my system. For you, this screen will not come. Okay. I will write it here, change. You will get directly this screen. You will get this screen. Now, which one I want, sir? Node.js runtime, core package manager, NPM package manager, online documentation. Which one you want, sir? NPM package manager. Click on this. Next. Don't check anything. No need to check anything. Next. That's it. It will ask you pop up yes or no. Yes. हो गया. But sir, how do you know it's installed or not? Always, if you install any software, go to command prompt. Go to command prompt. CMD means command prompt. Type it here, node space dash v. If your system has already Node.js, it will come what is the version installed. If it is not having it, it will give you one error like node is not recognized or something kind of. Sir, we should select the NPM package manager. Yes. If you don't select also, kuch nahi hota. NPM package manager will come directly, but better select it. See. Now, what is the version it is installed, ma? 22.14.0. But if it is not installed one, if it is not there, you will get error like node is not recognized internal, external command, something kind of one. Okay. Like for example, something Prasad. Is there any software named Prasad? No. Then it will come Prasad is not recognized internal, external. If node is not there, it will come like this error. Is this clear, ma? No. Just go here, note it down. Download. Step 3. Install by double tap and select NPM package manager and yes. Yes. That's it. It will install. Simple. How do you know that it's installed or not? Verify by going to CMD. I think you know what is CMD, command prompt, and type type node space dash v. It prints version of node if it is installed. Else error. Sometimes your system can't able to find it even if you install it, just restart it. Restart your system and check it one more time, it will work. Online, any doubts, ma? If you are having something old versions also, no worries. For example, some people are saying it like they are having version 20.11. That was fine to me. If you are having versions old also, I don't have a problem. Any doubts, sir, online? No. No. Good. I hope it's done. So everyone should install this, and node space dash v should come some version. That is the first step. Second one, our first okay, you need to have a code editor. We prefer in this course VS Code. If VS Code is not there, okay, just go to the VS Code and download it. VS Code installation is not a big deal. Just you go to the website, Visual Studio Code, which is direct actually. VS Code download. If you go there, it's very pretty simple. Download. You don't need to select anything. Automatically VS Code will be downloaded and it will install it also. VS Code installation is direct process. I think everyone have a VS Code now. Yeah, to the people who are not having, do it. And I will show you. I will tell you what is VS Code, how to use that or not. Okay. Now, let me open here in VS Code a new folder. Now, sir, VS Code will contain so many things. Mainly, I will show you basic things. This left side one by one, I will show you. Now go here. This is file. If you click on this now, files will open and close. Whatever the files and folders you have, you can see them by toggling. You can see them, click. This is file section. And in file section, or you can click file, open folder. You should open one folder. Let me open one folder. You have to create one empty folder and then open it. For me, I already created another folder, so I will open it here. My name React New, and here, if you observe here, four things are there. If you observe here, four things are there. First one is new file. Second one is new folder. Third one is just refresh. Fourth one is collapse. If you do this collapse one, it's not much used, but collapse one will close all the folders. That's it. Like so many folders got opened suddenly, I wanted to close all, the collapse will be there. If you want to create any file. If you want to create any folder. Now, normally you will not get icons like this. To get it icons like me, go to this extensions. What is this? Cubes are called extensions. In extensions, install one extension called material icon theme. It's not mandatory, but if you install it, you will get it easy. Material icon theme by PKF. So for nice folder structures, for nice folders, install material icon theme theme by pk in VS Code. Install this. Not only this, I will give you few recommendations. Those things were good. We don't use any live servers here. No need. Okay. But this one is for nice folders. Okay. Because later when you see your folders, it look like different. My folders look like different. That's why I don't want any confusion. Now you can also install something called ES7. If you type it ES7, you will get it something like this. ES7, this one. ES7 React Redux, something kind of one. Shortcuts, it will give you shortcuts. For shortcuts, install ES7 React or Redux, etc. by this guy, Rodrigo Valadas, something kind of one. Just however you remember, write it in your own way. कुछ नहीं होता. These two are just recommendations, not mandatory. Basic settings. Basic settings are go to file, activate autosave. So these nice folders are like this nice icons, Ray. See, I'm getting it here. This icons, na. Because left side I have it HTML icon, JavaScript JS icon. If I don't have this material icon theme, na. If I don't have this material icon theme, uninstalled. Can you see? This is how it looks like originally. It's not looking nice to me. So that's why I installed this material icon. Is this clear, ma? Now, next, sir, always go to your file on top, file, go down. Can you see autosave is there? I clicked autosave, it got checked. Why you are doing it? If you don't do it, also nothing will happen. But every time you have to press Control S and all. If you put this autosave, the moment you are typing, it will be saved automatically. You don't need to do Control S. Because mine is having that. Tomorrow when I am doing my application, you will be confused. Sir is not saving it. Why I have to save it kind of thing. That's why I am telling it. These were the basic things I recommended everyone. And if you wanted to change your themes, go to settings, themes. You can change a nice theme so that your eyes will not burn whenever you do. Is this clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Yes. Yeah. Now let's go here. Next one. Create a folder and open in VS Code. Now let's start our first React app. And go to and open terminal terminal, new terminal, new terminal, terminal, new terminal, cd space folder. This is a basic folder name, space folder name. It's optional, cd folder name. I will tell you. Dekho, everyone see here. I'm gonna create it one folder here, React. So everything I do, I will do it in this React folder. All React code will be in the React folder. Any doubts, ma? No. This is the React folder for code. So I will go here, first one, click here. Can you see which option I have to select? Terminal. In terminal, which option I have to select? New terminal. One more time. Again, click here. Which one I have to select, ma? Then, correct. Once I get it, my new terminals. Okay. Now I have this terminal. I am in PowerShell. You can do it in PowerShell or you can go to command prompt and do it also, your wish. Okay. If PowerShell is not working, try command prompt. Okay. Both will work. Now for me, once I have this, now everyone see this. If anyone knows basic Linux, they will know this. But here, everyone, which folder I am in here? 9 a.m. React new. But which folder I wanted to do the React? React. I have to go to that React folder now. How do you go to specific folder? cd space folder name React. What is it mean by cd? Change directory. Change directory. Sir, imagine you don't have React folder. You are directly doing it. Do you need to write it cd? No. It's not a rule like cd React. This is what happened in one of my previous classes. I created one folder called code and I write cd code. That guy is not having code, but still he is writing cd code. Understand it the use. Here I am writing cd React because React folder के अंदर चाहिए. हमको बाहर चाहिए तो folder को easy. You don't need to go only. Then cd React. Now which folder I am in? Yeah. If you wanted to go inside the folder, you will write it cd space folder name. If you wanted to come out, anyone knows? cd dot dot. If you write it, it will come out. It's a basic Linux command. cd space React cd dot dot. So clear all, clear screen. cd space React. I got it into the React. Letters, capital letter, small letter, it won't necessary. Any doubts here, ma? No doubts, na? Now start our first React app. To create it, our first React app, the command is in this C. Open terminal, new terminal, cd folder name. Now here, command is npm create space npm space create space white white. What is this white? I will tell you. What is this white? I will tell you. White at the rate latest. If you do this, npm create white at the rate latest, it will install the latest white application. Huh? I will tell you what is. I will tell you what is white kya hai. Now write it here. npm create white at the rate latest. Sir, White is a bundler. What is this bundler actually? What this white will do? White will create your React app. Sir, can I create directly React app, npm install React? Yeah, you can do that. But sir, if you wanted to create a React app, you needed so many files. Basic React file, you need to write it some code, and again you have to install the React. You need to do it. But sir, there will be some automatic tools. Some predefined bundler will be there. What is this guy will do? If you do this white, automatically they will only install React. They will only give you one basic code, first code. They will give you one sample app. It's like what we call templates. Do you know what does it mean by template, ma? Template means you don't need to do from scratch. Already they will do something. You need to edit, right? Or yeah, some format they will give you. Like this for React, there will be template bundlers. In olden times, people use create React app. एक नाम है एक bundler that is called create React app. That is depreciated now. If you go for any YouTube tutorials, mostly people use create React app. That is depreciated now. Okay. But now people are using white. What this white will give? White will give you one template. Like everything in the React they already do, they will give you one template. If you edit it, automatically your code will come. Even in real time, people use white. Okay. Till now, any doubts, ma? Now let me start it. I will show you what is the template. Can you see what is the first thing they are asking? What project name? I am giving one project name, first project or first app. What is my project name? First app. They want to give package name, same first app. The difference is package name, they will not give you something called, capital letters. That's the difference. First app. Any doubts here? No. Give project name, package name. Now click here. Can you see here? They're asking you to select one thing. Vanilla. Do you know what is vanilla? Not ice cream. Vanilla bole to JavaScript. You learned JavaScript now, document.getElement ID, document.createElement. ये पूरा को vanilla JavaScript बोलता. The original JavaScript which you learn is called vanilla JavaScript. Are you getting my point, ma? Different versions hai. Basic version vanilla JavaScript hai. Next, people will go with something called this React. They will have something called, uh, Vue or something. See, so many are there. Vanilla JavaScript, Vue JavaScript, React JavaScript, Preact JavaScript, Lit JavaScript, Svelte JavaScript, Solid JavaScript, Quick JavaScript, Angular. Any template you want, it will give you. But which template we want? Which template we want, ma? React. Click React. In React, which one you want? TypeScript or TypeScript with SWC? Type JavaScript or JavaScript with SWC or React router. Now I will go with JavaScript. Sir, what is this SWC means? SWC means Speedy Web Compiler. Everyone, SWC means Speedy Web Compiler. What it will do? It will make your compilation process in browser faster. Donam same, it will not give anything, but this bit will give you another package, another kind of file. That file will make your application load faster. Okay, but we are using JavaScript. Since most people knows JavaScript only, I am doing it JavaScript file only. Is it clear, man? Online till now, anyone have any questions? Click here JavaScript. Now, everyone see, they gave me 3 commands. They gave me 3 commands. If you see here, already they created one folder quickly. Can you see? Inside my React folder, one folder is created. What is the folder name? First app. What is the folder name? They are telling first write cd first app. Okay. CD first app. Then second, what they are telling npm install. So whatever you needed, automatically it will only install. Sir, are you telling what to install? No. Are you telling npm install bootstrap, npm install React? No, you are not telling what to install. When you say install karo, ये पूरा इंस्टॉल कर रहा है. So how it will know what to install? Already it is there. Already here there is one file called package.json. What is this file name? In this package.json already so many they will write. It's like a list. When you go to Kirana store or when you go to DMart, you will write a list of groceries what to buy na. Like this in your project, what files you need, they will write one list. Okay, I need in my project React, I need in my project React DOM, I need this ESLint, I need this with.js, everything, whatever they needed, everything they will write. And when you write npm install, they will see that list and they will install all the things. That's it. Npm install. And if you see here, it will install, it will add 2 more files. You can see that. What are the 2 files added? Package log.json, package.json previous also there. It will add package log.json and node modules. Then after this, 3 commands. First one is cd first app. They will only show you. Dekho. What is the first command? Cd first app. Second command, third command, npm run dev. That means in developer environment, run it. Can you see it is running? Which link it is running, ma? See there, localhost 5173. You don't need to write live server. Automatically it will only run. Sir, how to run your React app? npm run dev. And you go here, automatically it will open one React app. Can you see that one React app is there? Now in this React app, already something is there. Did I write it anything? No. So everything I needed already is given. I have one SRC folder, I have some basic code, I have everything. But if I wanted to create, I have to do it one by one. Instead of me doing it, Wit people already gave it everything I want. And that is the use. It will give you template code. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Now. Sir, let's understand how these things works. First app, let's do our first app only. We are not going to understand what is public, what is SRC. We are not going to see one folder. First, पहला एक अच्छा app बनाना. Go to SRC. Go to, where is your all code? Inside the SRC. Inside the, anyone guess what is SRC means? Source. What is SRC means? Source. Perfect. Inside the source, can you see something called app.jsx? They have separate folder extension, JSX, not JS. App.jsx, can you see here? Go here, app.jsx. Inside this, you will see so many things. Okay, this is the same code as it is here. Now what you will do, I will delete. If I delete this image, what will happen? Here image delete हो गया. ये भी delete कर. Delete हो गया. Wit plus React. No, I will change the title. My first app. I am editing. Are you getting my point? This is HTML only. I'm deleting all. And here also, I will delete this button. This button I will delete. I will delete this paragraph. I will write it here. Hello, everyone. Any doubts, ma, in this? Online, any doubts here? What happened? I hope it is clear. Can we do the whole process one more time? From the first, again from the first, I will do it one more time. Let's go here. Let's close this. Let's go to Naresh IT. Name React New. React. I am deleting this first app. And I'm gonna create it one more time. Now, is there anything there in React? No. So go here, go to Visual Studio Code. Go here, File, Open Folder. I will open this React New. Opened. Now, tell me, where I have to go, ma? Terminal, terminal, new terminal. In this new terminal, you will write it here. CD space React. Why? Because I wanted to install inside that React folder. Now, tell me the command, everyone. See it in your notes. It's there. Na command. See it. How to install new one? npm create white @latest. No need to hurry. It's very easy. Now, let's click enter. Now, what I have to give? Project name. Let's give here project name. First app. I'm giving same name. If it is already the same name is existed, you have to give another name. Simple. First app. Next. Which one I have to select? Then JavaScript. Now, see, there are 3 commands. What is the first command? CD first app. What is the second command? If you see it clearly, left side, is there any node modules? Is there any folder node modules? No. Is there any folder package log.json? No. When you write this npm install, it will create both of them. What is that node module? What is package log.json? We will understand it. But just creating it now today. Create it. Just install. It will take internet to download. It depends on your internet speed, it will download. About 150 packages they downloaded in 10 seconds. Next, what is the next command? npm run dev. Because 3 commands they will show you. You don't need to remember them. Now npm run dev. Now which link it is running? Localhost 5173. If you go on to this link, you can click here, follow link, it will work. Now I want to edit. I want to edit this. Everyone tell me, which folder I have to go? SRC. Which folder? Inside SRC, which file I have to go? app.jsx. Why only app.jsx and all I will tell you, don't worry. In folder structure, you will get a more idea. Now in this app.jsx, now see so much HTML is there. I can delete all HTML, whatever I want. See here, complete HTML is deleted. Inside the return, keep it like this. Inside the return, something brackets is there, empty brackets. Now inside that, so much HTML is there. I deleted all the HTML. Anything is there? Let me write it here. H1. Hello, everyone. Do you know how to put that emojis? To the people who don't know, Windows plus dot. In your VS Code, like you can try Windows plus dot symbol. Windows symbol will be there and dot symbol will be there. If you click it, Windows and dot, you will get the emojis. You can put smileys and all. Huh? Not getting what? You can put it normally also. You can download and put one image also. It's okay. Now see, it's predefined. This is a simple React app. Anyone have any question? Online, anyone have any question? Clear. I think it's clear. Very good. Very good. Good. Let's go here. Now, let's understand what is the folder structure here. We will understand from this bitconfig onwards what is what they will give you. We already gave template. I did not created any kind of file. They already give template. I am just editing it. And in that template, what is each and every file mean? How they are useful to you? What is the use of those files? We will note it down. That is folder structure. To add emojis, you need to write it here, Windows plus dot. Have you made the npm run dev? Run dev. Hmm. Next. Next one. Next one. Sir, can like you all know HTML ma? Can we do a simple HTML project? Now, I think everyone knows HTML, so I'm just doing it a simple HTML. I'm creating one div के अंदर एक img tag. I will take it here, something Shinchan. Go here, go here, copy, go here, paste it here, alt Shinchan. Is it 100%? No. थोड़ा size decrease करो. Height 200. And then small paragraph. This is my first project in React using it. Any doubts, ma? Online, any doubts? Actually, if you wanted to change CSS, guys, if you wanted to change CSS to the people who know CSS, you have to give class name. You don't normally in HTML, you will write class na, but here in JSX, you will write class name. Instead of class, you will write class name. Okay, class name, give one class name, something, some kind of main. Then I will go here. Can you see app.css? Already app.css is included. You can see I imported CSS file here. Now I will go here app.csx, and in this app.css file, I will write it here main boleto. You can write it here some CSS, whatever CSS you wanna do. Thoda CSS. 5 pixel, 10 pixel, 10 pixel, orange. Border radius, 10 pixel. Does anyone have any question in this? Online, anyone have any question in this? No. I just created one simple bit. I just created one simple bit. In this bit, I went to src app.jsx. Inside this written, I don't know what is written. I don't know what is this JSX. I don't know anything. What I did is inside this closed braces, here I know some code is there. They already gave me one code. I deleted their code and I wrote my own HTML. Exactly HTML I wrote. For this HTML, I write the CSS also. Clear? Clear, ma? Now, sir, everything I'm doing, I am seeing in my local host only, na? Can you see my local host? Can you see my local host, ma? No, you can't see. Why? Because how you will see? My local host will be in my folder, my system. I can't share you that, na? So for that, class name and class are same only. Don't worry. There is no class in React. In React class name we will write instead of class. Because React will confuse. JavaScript पर दो classes है ना? Class, you know, class normally you will write class something equals to अरे OOP concept में class है ना? In OOP class object something is there. React will confuse that class and this class name. So that's why React will call this one as class name, that one as class. ID is same, ID only. Are you getting my point, ma? Normally, if anyone know OOP, they will write a class name, they will write it something kind of code, na? That class and this class, they will confuse. That's why they will write it separately. Okay. Now go here. Now you can stop the server. To stop the server, you can put it Control C. Control C will stop the server. Now, till now I'm doing it only in my local host. Now I wanted to put this website into live. I want to put this website into live. How do you keep your website into live, sir? npm run build. npm run build. You can note it down, sir. To make website live, to make website live, to make website live, build the application using, to make the website live, build the application using npm run build. npm run build. Can you see it builded one application? Everyone see? It builded one application. Now left side, everyone see, left side. One more folder is added. Can anyone guess what folder is added now? Dist. What folder is added? Dist. Dist is for distribution file. Now, actually, sir, browser cannot understand React. Browser को React मालूम नहीं. Browser को खाली तीन मालूम. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. But I want React. Imagine system computer knows only binary code. You will write it in Java. So how you will convert that Java into binary code? Compilers will be there. तो compiler का काम वही है ना. तो ऐसा there is one compiler here called Babel. Babel. What this Babel will do, it will convert your React into HTML, CSS. Can you see? It converted into HTML, JavaScript files. Did I write it any JavaScript like this index something? No, it will convert. Like this, it will give you one file folder called dist. It will create one folder called dist. Now, what you will do, sir? Go to one website, everyone. Go to one website. Website name is Netlify. What is that website name? Netlify. If you go to this website, Netlify, I will show you. It will come something like this. Click here, sign up. Create one account in Netlify. Do you all have GitHub account? If you don't have it, create. Kuch nahi hota. Okay, it's like your Snapchat only. It's create very simple. Once you create your GitHub, I will tell you one day we will discuss what Git kya hai, GitHub kya hai, pura. But just create it and sign in. Once you do that, it will create an account like this. In this, everyone, can you see here, right side, something called add new site? Can you see right side, add new site, ma? Add new site. Click here, add new site. Can you see here, 3 options are there? There is one option called deploy manually. What is option? Click deploy manually. Then upload. Click here, upload. And I'm uploading. Which folder you are uploading, sir? I am uploading that dist folder. You should upload dist. Don't upload whole folder. Only dist folder upload. Go to React new. Inside the React. Inside the first app. Can you see dist? Click here dist. Then only dist folder I'm uploading. Upload. हो गया, वेबसाइट आ जाता. Now go here, dist. It's हो गया. Now if I go here, site configuration, left side. Why only dist means dist folder contains the browser understandable code. Dist के अंदर क्या है? HTML, CSS, JavaScript. React मालूम नहीं वेबसाइट ब्राउजर का, तो उसके लिए खाली dist folder चाहिए. Now dist, see, they gave me one link. If anyone click this link na, they will get my website. I can change that link also. Go down in site configuration, change site name. I will write it Shinchan Nohara. See, if anyone go to, even in your mobiles, you can open it. Go to, let's type it here. Shinchan Nohara dot netlify dot app. If you type it, you will get my website. Are you getting my point, ma? It's cool, na? Now, what is today's task? Today onwards, every day one task will be there. Today's task. You also create your first React app. Put it anything. You put images, you put videos, you put audios, HTML, CSS, Kali. No need to do big logic. HTML, CSS, kuch bhi kar do. Put it any nice HTML, CSS, build the application, upload to Netlify. Tomorrow I will ask you what is your link. You will give me one link. I will check what website you have done. Make it one creative thing. Okay. Is it clear, ma? And if you face any problems while uploading and all also, we will discuss them tomorrow. Like we will do it like 2-3 days, you will get it the gist actually. Yeah. Last, before we leave, just note it, we will note it down all the things. NPM create, which now let's note it down. I will note it down all the things I discussed. Wit is a template generator which will create template code for different JavaScript frameworks or libraries. After the command, give project name, package name, and select React. After this, 3 commands. Then 3 commands. After selecting React, cd folder name, whatever the folder name you write, folder name or project name, whatever you write. Then next, npm install. Next, npm run dev. It will run run React app in localhost 5173. Always it will run it in localhost 5173 only. 73. To change the default code, to change the default code, go to src app.jsx and write HTML code between return. In return, you can write it the HTML code. To build the application, run the command npm run build. You can even take the help of your GPTs. I don't mind it. I don't mind to use AIs, but always till the end of this course, promise on yourself, don't copy paste the GPT codes. You use GPT. For example, if GPT tell you do this HTML code, type it. See the GPT code and type it. Don't copy paste it. Are you getting my point, ma? If, for example, GPT will give you so much big code, still type it letter by letter. Don't copy paste it. That's the only thing. You use ChatGPT or kuch bhi, I don't mind. But I wanted something nice project tomorrow. Okay. But don't copy paste it. See and type it also kuch bhi. Okay. But I want you to use your creativity. It's not a big deal. HTML, CSS, Kali. Run build. It will create a dist folder. Dist folder contains HTML, CSS, JS. Browsers cannot understand React directly. So Babel is a compiler kind of thing. It's a transpiler actually. Converts React code to browser understandable JavaScript. Whatever browser understandable JavaScript is there, it will create it. Now, understandable JavaScript. Next, open netlify.com and sign up using GitHub account. That's why I told you to create GitHub account on first day only. If not have GitHub account, and after login, you have to click here, create new site or add new site will be there, I think. Add a new site. Sometimes you will not get add new site, you will get directly deploy manually. That also try it. Kuch nahi hota. Deploy manually. Upload the dist folder. Automatically it will come. Then go to site configuration change site name. That's it. You will get your link. These were the things I did today. Online, someone got one error. I know what is that error. I will show you. Once everyone is done, I will show you one error. Someone got one error. I will show you what is that error also. Now, online and offline, everyone, see this, ma. Someone got this site, Sabiha got one error. Usually, people will get these errors because your PowerShell cannot able to identify your program. It has two solutions. One is restart your system, it will work mostly. Else in VS Code, when you usually what you will do in VS Code, you will click here terminal, new terminal. When you click here new terminal, by default PowerShell will come. Click this arrow, you can select command prompt. Select the command prompt, and in that command prompt, try to write it the command npm create and all. So it won't get these errors mostly. Or restart your systems, it will be done. In case if it is not working after restart and after going to command prompt also, then come to me, I will show you. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. Thank you, Alma. Yeah. Online, any question you can mention, ma? Offline one can leave, no questions. Okay, I hope it's clear. Very good. Thank you, Alma. Thank you all. Thank you.